Good day guys. Welcome where Maths is made easy with teacher Satya here. In this video, I'll be teaching you guys on what do we mean by supplementary angles and how to find the missing angle from a supplementary angle. Make sure you watch the entire video to get a better understanding of this topic. Now let's get to it guys. So before we start solving some questions, let's understand the definition of a supplementary angle. Now, supplementary angles mean when two or three angles add up to a straight angle, right guys? So what that means is again, when two or three angles add up to 180 degrees. All right guys, now let's solve few questions. Now in this question, what we have here is we have two angles. The first angle is x and the second angle is 118 degrees. Now we know that these two are supplementary angles, and what it means is x plus 180 degrees will add up to 180 degrees, right guys? Now in order for us to find the value of x, I'm going to transpose 118 to the other side. So we would have x is equal to 180 minus 118. Therefore the value of x will be equal to 62 degrees, right guys? So this value of x is equal to 62 degrees. Now in question number 2 here, we have something similar to question number 1. All right guys, so the first angle is 2x plus 3 and the second angle is x minus 6 degrees. Now in supplementary angles, these two angles will add up to 180 degrees. So let's write the equation down guys. So 2x plus 3 plus x minus 6 is equal to 180 degrees, right guys? Now let's add up the like terms right here. 2x plus x will give us 3x, and plus 3 minus 6 would give us negative 3, right guys? And all of this add up to 180 degrees. Now what I'm going to do is, in order to find the value of x, first of all, I'm going to transpose this 3 to the other side. So when we transpose negative to the other side, it's going to change to a positive 3, right guys? So 3x is equal to 180 plus 3 is 183. Now again, we are finding the value of x and not 3x, right guys? So when I transpose this 3 to the other side, it will change to division. So it'll be 183 divided by 3, which is equal to 61, right guys? Now we have found the value of x. So x is 61. So let us substitute the value of x in this angle. The first one is 2x plus 3. So what we have is 2 multiplied by 61 plus 3, and 2 times 61 is 122 plus 3, which is equal to 125, right guys? So this angle right here would be 125 degrees. Now let's go to the next one. This angle is x minus 6. So we have 61 minus 6, which will be equal to 55 degrees. So this angle right here is equal to 55 degrees. And if you take a look at it guys, 125 plus 55 will add up to 180 degrees. And that is what we mean by supplementary angle and how to find the missing angles from supplementary angle question. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to hit on that like button and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future maths videos. Until next time guys, have a nice day.